Will a Roof Maxx treatment void my shingle warranty? We know how important the roof over your head is. It protects one of your biggest investments. It's also why shingle manufacturers cover their products. That's why Roof Maxx offers our own warranty. Your Roof Maxx treatment does not affect your shingle warranty and is still valid even if your manufacturer's warranty is or becomes void due to time or transfer restrictions. This is not a warranty against leaks from faulty installation or other damage sustained by the roof, hail, high winds. We've treated over 100 million square feet of roofs with no indication that applying Roof Maxx to asphalt shingles will void or limit any sort of warranty. Nor have we ever heard of a manufacturer's warranty claim being denied because Roof Maxx was applied. Roof Maxx has carefully analyzed and received numerous legal opinions from leading construction and contract attorneys regarding the scope of the warranties of all major shingle manufacturers, and the largest shingle manufacturer has formally stated that coatings/penetrants applied to their shingles do not void their warranty.